Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can remove a headlight assembly and replace headlight bulb or indicator bulbs, pilot bulbs from a Volkswagen Polo with the tools you find in the trunk. The tools you're going to need are T torque screwdriver. First of all, you have to open the hood, place the hood prop on. Next, remove the negative lead from your battery. Like so. Then, remove the screws from the mountings of the headlight assembly. There are two of them right here. You have to remove them. Place them aside and just loosen the center one. This is just for preventing rattling of the headlight. Then what you can do is undo the bulb holder. First of all, remove the indicator bulbs. Then remove the fog light bulbs. No, they're the pilot lamps. Sorry. Then remove the headlight bulb connector. So, and remove the servo. So, well, that's all there is to it. And then what you're going to do is press the whole assembly out of the car like this. Just push them. You might hear a loud crack, but the plastic clip I'm doing, they're very stubborn to get it out. It just takes a lot of effort. Pull it out. Just like that, comes out. The whole assembly just slides out. It was held in by these two plastic clips over here. They're really stubborn to get out. Well, this is the entire assembly, so you can see it. Okay, to remove the headlamp, you have to remove the rubber boot that comes out of it. Place it aside. Then just press this little tab right inside there, and lift the tab up, and then you can just remove the bulb on its own. See, this is a headlight bulb. You can replace it with a new one. To replace it back, just slide the bulb back. Just place it like that. And then just press in the holder. That's how we do it. Then just put back the rubber boot. Then align the back of the bulb to it and just fix it like that. That's how you replace a bulb. To replace the indicator bulb, just place it. Place the indicator bulb. It's really easy. Just take the bulb, press it in, give it a twist, and it comes out. That's it. Remove the pilot lamp bulb. It's not twisting action, just a clip. Just remove it by centering the clip. So yeah, put it back, just flip it in. To replace these two bulbs, you don't have to take the whole headlight assembly out. But to replace the headlight assembly, headlight bulb, you might need to take it out. In some cases you have to take the whole front bumper off to get these headlight assembly out. In my case, just 2 screws. Before putting it back on, you have to put in the headlight servo, this, just like that. You just slide it in, and then you just twist it. After that, plug in the headlight connector, just easier while it's outside. And just slide the assembly in. Just give it a couple of taps, plug it in. After that, plug in the pilot lamp. You can see zoom in, the lamp. Connectors on. Make sure they're all secure. After that, and then just tighten the little one. Then just reinstall the negative battery free, like so. Tighten it. That's how you remove, assemble a whole headlight assembly and fix the battery bulb. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.